They replaced the control with a 4-speed one. Shut that door. You can see this fan replaced a Harbor Breeze Armitage, however you pronounce it. And you can see they neglected to paint the ceiling where it once was, so this room must have been painted before this fan was installed. This is, even though it's Hampton Bay, it's probably much better quality than Harbor Breeze, at least the Heritage made ones, or the ones not made by a current fan company. Come on, focus. I think the last time I filmed the Armitage that was in this room was like 2016, something like that. I don't know. Excuse me. So I think the only remaining 7-speed control, or 6-speed, however many speeds it is in that bedroom over there. Because this bedroom on the other side of that wall was replaced by a 3-speed slider, Lutron. Focus, come on. Check out the control when I pull the chain on the light. Both lights flash. Do that again, I think I missed it. The control must be a smart control. Oops, I'm still zoomed in, sorry about that. They should have flush mounted this fan. Actually no, they couldn't have. I don't think the canopy is suitable for flush mount. focus, come on. Focus. And high. This thing actually flies on high and puts out a pretty good amount of air for what it is and its quality. Well, the control goes off with the light. So does the fan. It's interesting. And the fan stays off. That's weird.